So here comes the parameter passing. So what we are having here, a and b are two integer variables, right? So declare them here with proper data type, and also we are declaring b here. So you can just remove these two things. So what are the values you are passing to this particular function will be accepted by these two variables and will be processed accordingly. So here we can pass 15 comma 25. I am passing here. So these two variables we are passing to this particular function here, and it is accepting them and it is processing and printing the result here. Let's try to run and see. 15 plus 25 is 40. So here we are passing parameters to our function. So this is advanced usage of this function compared to the previous function which we have used, where we have just statically specified the numbers and we have computed and displayed it onto the screen. So here's the another way, that is passing parameters to our function.